The chickenpox is known as varicella zoster virus.
Mode of transmission.
An infected person can spread the chickenpox through sneezing, coughing, sharing food or drinks, or touching the fluid of a chickenpox blister.
Mortality and morbidity rates. Every year, there are 3.9 million cases of chickenpox in the United States, with a death rate around 90 people.
75 to 90% of cases are in children younger than 10 years old.
Say, oh, we're about to explode.
The chickenpox affects people all over the world.
I'll carry you on.
Giovanni Filippo discovered the chickenpox in Italy in the 1500s.
Carry you on.
Symptoms appear 14 to 16 days after a person is in contact with someone who has the virus.
Signs of having the chickenpox before the rash is visible. Fever, headache,
Some far
swollen glands, sore throat,
some search for gold,
decreased appetite,
some dragon to slay.
and other flu-like symptoms.
Heaven we hope.
The chickenpox rash is visible 1 to 2 days after these first symptoms are seen. A couple of small raised bumps usually appear on the face, chest, or abdomen. These bumps become even bigger and can spread to other parts of the body, forming blisters on a red base.
Red spot stages include blistering, bursting, drying, and crusting.
Diagnosis: an illness that causes an itchy rash and red spots and blisters that appear all over the body and can spread easily.
Doctors will diagnose the virus by examining the rash and looking at the person's medical history.
Blisters on the scalp can also help confirm the virus.
Lab tests can also help in diagnosing the chickenpox by taking the fluid from the blister or spine.
Prognosis:
Recovery without complications.
once a person has had the chickenpox, the virus stays inactive inside of the body for the rest of their life. One out of every 10 adults will develop shingles during periods of high stress, which makes it more likely for the virus to reappear.
Treatment and care. Avoid scratching. Take lukewarm baths and rinse well.
Apply moisturizer to infected areas after the bath. Over-the-counter medications such as Benadryl and hydrocortisone can help with the chickenpox. Avoid prolonged exposure to heat and humidity.
Medications are not given to everyone. Medications must be started within 24 hours of the rash.
Prevention. An infected person should not come in contact with anyone until blisters are crusted over and dried out.
Get vaccinated early!